But, wow.
Yeah, di ba?
Oh, ay, sorry. Sabi ni asawa ko, namasyal lang ako, tapos meron lang ako pagbalik eh. I've used that about couple of times lang. So when I used it yesterday, I dialed it. Tapos suddenly, late siya.
Late siya.
Oo, late siya. Then, try squeezing it. Tapos nakita ko na yung hindi siya sumasabay na yung hindi siya nagla-lock sa respirate.
Hindi siya naglalak na. Okay. I think need na to anuhin, buksan. We'll have our technician take a look at it and then I'll inform you of that. Thank you. Take a look around.
Yeah.
Pero it's GM. Yan yung pinaka-icon. The 233 is very well known yan.
But, wow.
Yeah, di ba?
Oh, ay, sorry. 17 nga, oh.
2017 yan. Complete din. Ito brother, if kukunin ko, just to be fair, since I have to buy it back and then, so sabihin natin, i-value lang natin ng 200.
Okay.
Just 20 lang.
Senior citizen discount, PWD.
Lahat na, no?
Pa, di ba?
But you're getting a very, very iconic
Value.
Iconic, super iconic yan.
Complete pa to.
Yes, complete tayo. Days yan 8 days wine. Wine mo lang siya 8 days.
Oo nga.
Hindi mamamatay yan.
Ano pang strap? Ito na lang. Ano
Yan lang. Yes, and the box, everything.
Nagaling ko lang ito baka makita eh. Let's do it!
Let's do it.
Sabi ni asawa ko, namasyal lang ako tapos meron lang ako pagbalik.
359,000 minus 200 to, di ba? Sinabi natin. Sorry, mali yung compute. 220 ko na compute.
Sige, one good.
Okay lang?
Sa card, what I thought.
Kung nga pala, magka-card ka pa. Pero hindi, 159 times 3.5% is 5,565. Okay. Done deal. Plus 159 ka lang, brother. Okay na.
Let's do it!
Okay, done deal. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Okay.